Question 45 is, if I rent or I don't own the house, who gets the voucher, the bus voucher, for the heat pump? And the answer to that is very simple. Whoever buys the heat pump is the person who benefits from the grant. So if you are somebody who rents a house and you choose to have a heat pump installed and a boiler removed, you would get the benefit of a £5,000 reduction in the cost of your installation. It's probably a very good idea to speak to the landlord before ripping out the boiler, but essentially whoever pays the bill benefits from the voucher.